Good morning, Judy here from Thistledew Creations, and today I have a Temu haul to show you. I recently played a bunch of their little games and got a bunch of credit, and I was able to get an embossing and die cutting machine for very little money because of the credit that I accumulated. So I did a little haul of embossing folders and die cuts, and also got some emery boards. I use them for my nails, but also for crafting to clean up any rough edges on charms or on taking paper off of cardstock sometimes. So, and then I picked up these are a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be. They come in this neat little band box though, which I love. They're little paper clips, and they have designs cut in them. I think they're stainless steel. So I thought they were going to be a bit bigger, but they could be nice in a small journal. So they're cute. Also good for happy mail. They're lightweight and flat, easy to mail. So I'll just show you some of the embossing folders that I ordered. And I don't know if it'll be today that I'll get playing with my machine. I haven't used it yet. But when I do, we'll do a little play session on screen too. So this one is snowflakes. It's not very heavily embossed, but we'll see how it works. I've never done any of this kind of crafting before, but I've been watching some videos, and one of the things I'm excited to do is not just embossing paper, but using inks on the embossing folders as well. I've watched a few videos with that. And then this one is like a brick wall pattern. So I'm excited to see how these work for me and to do a review for you guys, because the machine I got was, I think, over $150 normally, and I paid very little for it. So it's always good to know whether, you know, from someone else's experience, whether it's worth getting it off of Temu. Though this one's feathers. And what I like is that you kind of have a positive and a negative image that you can use for stamping and stuff with the inks. And then roses, just an all over roses pattern. I don't know how well these show up for you on the screen. And then a hexagon or beehive kind of pattern. I'll definitely use that with my bee themes. And then sort of an all over leaves. And an all over scroll. I was surprised how small these were. It probably said in the listing, but I was expecting them to be like half of an 8.5 by 11, and it's more like a quarter of one. And then the die cuts, I got 4 snowflakes. They're kind of joined together. I'm not sure if you're supposed to separate them. I probably won't separate them, at first at least. So I got 4 snowflakes, and then I think I got more snowflakes further down. Yeah, this one is snowflakes. It's like a page edge, a corner, and then snowflakes, scrolls and snowflakes. So I'm excited to do some winter stuff with those. Then I got a set of stacked teacups, and they each have a different edge on the rim of the teacup. And then dandelions. And a feather. This is a nice sized feather. So I'm excited to use some new die cuts on my ATCs. That one will have to be cut off, but it could be used. The dandelions will be able to be used. The snowflakes and teacups for sure. I don't know if I'm going to end up keeping them in these little pouches, but for now I want to. 4 butterflies, and they're 4 different ones, so those will be good. And 3 dragonflies. They're good ATC size. And then I love this little trellis background. I can see that being put in behind a dragonfly or a flower or whatever focal point would be nice in front of that. Kind of gives me Bridgerton vibes. And then another sort of page edge with a dragonfly and some scrolls and flowers. So I can't wait to try these. And then sort of a basic thing, some like labels, or I guess I'd call them labels. I like the way they have the kind of ribbon look to them, going all different directions. And then some other more standard size, standard shape labels. And I'm curious to see, this will probably give me a label and then an outline or something. I'm not sure. It'll be really interesting to use them. And then an envelope, a small envelope die. And I think I have one more similar to this, maybe larger, that I got in a swap from, I think, Remy. So I'm excited to get working at that. I don't know if I'll get around to it today. It's my only day off this week, and I just don't know what I'm going to get accomplished. So I'd like to have a whole day or two to play with it and really play with it before I do a video for you so that I can figure it out. You don't need to see me fumbling trying to figure out thicknesses of plates and things. So anyway, I will do a review on it once I get working with it, and I'll show you some of my creations, of course. So if you've watched to the end here today, thank you very much. Like, comment, share, subscribe, but most of all, have a great day.